Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Lone Star Chick Plans and we're going to be doing our cash stuffing for paycheck number 2. And we are going to just go ahead and do a quick cash count. Put my pouch over here. And we are stuffing $446 today for paycheck number 2. Let's get started. 50, 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 300, 310, 320, 330, 340, 345, 350, 355, 360, 365, 370, 375, 380, 385, 390, 395, 400, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And actually, you guys, I'm sorry about that. It is $413 because I was going to put money into household. And instead of doing that, I needed to use it to re-up on some toilet paper and some paper goods. And so I went ahead and instead of stuffing that, I pulled that out so that I could go to the store and buy those things. So I am a little short of the 446, and that's why. Okay, so let me get this money set up real quick, and then we'll... Okay, so we're going to start with our high priority, and that's going to be month ahead. Actually, let's do Christmas first because that's the only one in this holidays binder. So this is my holidays binder, and we are stuffing Christmas for $60 today. So that is getting 360, so 320s for $60. 20, 40, 60. And so let's do the math. 20, 40, 60, 80, 95, and 50. So I'm not sure how much that is. How much is that? 50, 70, 90, 110, 135, 45. So 145. Ooh, those 50s really do trick you and mess you up. I don't like it. Okay, so that's it for our holidays binder. Next, we're going to go into our high priority, and that should be our month ahead. And our month ahead is getting $50 today. So let's see how much we have. We have 50, 70, 90, 100 towards month ahead. Not bad. I will update my trackers offline, you guys. The next one is my trash, and that one we stuff monthly and it pays out quarterly. And we are going to be stuffing 320s. So we have 20, 40, 60. So let's see how much we have. We have 20, 40. Actually, that's not getting 60. That is getting, I'm sorry. That is getting 45 and 6. Yeah. Okay. So 20, 40, 60, 80. 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, $92. Ooh, that tripped me up. Sorry about that. Okay, so next one is cart maintenance, and that is getting, where's my cart maintenance? Oh, I think it's in my low priority. Okay, we're going to go to cart registration. That's getting $8, and that's getting a 5 and 3 ones. Okay, so let's see how much we have. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, $16 in car registration. And AAA is getting $5. And I'm going to have to up this because I'm going to pay for my mom's as well. So now we have $5 and that's getting $30. So I'm going to have to readjust this amount. So next time I'll be stuffing probably a little bit more to catch up. Next is Amazon Prime, and that is getting $12, and that's going to get a 10 and 2 ones. 10, 2 ones. So, okay, so we should have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, $84. Next one is Canva, and that is getting $11, and that's getting a 10 and a 1. So now we have 20, 40, 60, 75, 76, 77, $78 in Canva. And this is going towards the annual subscription for Canva that I use. Google is getting $4 today, and that's going to be 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's now got 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So we have $29, and I'm about to have to pay this one. So I need to check on the due date on that because I need to deposit that money in the bank. So Sam's is getting $5, and that is getting a $5 bill. So now in Sam's we have 20, 30, 5. Capital One is the annual fee for Capital One, and that's getting a 10 and 2 ones. So now we have 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 36. Next one is my American Express fee for the annual fee, and that's getting a 5 and 3 ones. Hold on, let me see. Oh, so it's getting a 5. I am gonna owe 3 ones to that. I didn't have enough change, so I made a note to myself that I owed $3. So 10 and 15. I meant to do it to car registration, but I put the $3 in there, so I'll just make it my American Express. I just highlighted it on my sheet here so that I can make a note to myself to make sure that I put it in there. So now for American Express, we have 25, but it should be 28. Okay, so the next is going to be our low priority. And that is going to be in this binder. And my low priority is going to start with my car maintenance. And that one is getting a 20 and 2 5s. Getting $30. So now we have 20, 45, 55, 56, 57, 58, $59 in car maintenance. All right, my next one is printer ink, and that is getting $25, and that is getting a 20 and a 5. So now in printer ink, we have 20, 40, 65, which I think is going to be the perfect amount because I just had to reorder some ink. So I'm actually probably going to have to take this out and pay that back to my credit card that I used so that I could get free shipping. So Just Me is getting $5, and that's going to get a 5. So we now have $15 in Just Me, which is going to be for me for my birthday. The next one is planner, and that one is not getting anything today. The next one is household, and I did plan on stuffing $30, but I needed to get some stuff, so that one is not getting anything today. And I did use what was in here as well. I took everything out, which ended up being like $64. So that is getting spent on everything that we needed. So I am not going to be stuffing that now. Birthdays is getting a 10 and a 5. It's getting 15 today, and there's nothing in here. So we're getting a 10 and a 5. I do have a couple birthdays coming up in March. My niece and my aunt. So that's that. Clothing, I am stuffing a 20 and a 5. So we are getting a 20 and a 5. So 25, 30, 1, 2, 3. So we have $33 in clothing. Candles, we're not stuffing. Pet meds. Pet meds, we are going to stuff $50, and that's going to be a 50. So I did re-up on their medication. It was like $2.28 or something like that because they had some coupons. So that actually left us with $25 left over from what we had saved. So that's awesome. So we're already starting ahead. So now we have $75 towards their next re-up. And I may actually be needing this soon because I need to take them for their rabies shot and their yearly vaccinations. So that might be coming up. The next one is vet visits, and that's getting $25 today. So that's getting a 20 and a 5. So $20.35 is what we have in there now. The next one is for grooming, for shampoo and stuff. That's getting $10, and there's nothing in there right now, so that's getting just $10. And then accessories, that's, you know, for their jackets and stuff in the winter when it gets cold, and that's getting $10, and there's nothing in there now. So, all right, guys, well, that's it for our cash stuffing today. We stuffed $413. And stay tuned for another video. We're going to be doing our Paycheck 1 closeout in the next video. So stay tuned for that, and you'll be able to see how we ended. And if there is nothing else, which there isn't, then this will conclude today's video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, do all the things. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.